Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to download and install Moneysukh trading terminal on your system. Before we begin, let's look at minimum system requirements. To download and install Moneysukh trading terminal on your system, first go to the Moneysukh official website www.moneysukh.com. Then scroll down to the platform section. Here you can see EXE Superfast and feature loaded trading platform and our download now button. Click on download now button to complete a download process. Once your download is complete, extract file. Then click on setup button to complete installation process. Now your installation is complete. Now here enter your credential and start trading now. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and follow our channel for more updates.